So yesterday I posted a video on how to build a world-class AI booking bot. I'll attach it above here if you want to watch it. But basically this system will automatically qualify your leads via SMS and get them to book appointments, as well as tell you which type of product or service the lead is interested in. Like I said, go check that out if you haven't seen that. But I did that all without any actual demonstration. So here's me running an ad with my own money for the specific type of service I offer to my clients. And I ran this ad after I posted the video, and I got one lead so far. And if you check this out, here is my actual AI booking bot that I showed you. And here's the lead. And you can see here the automation actually fired right here. He responded. And then it says, great to hear. Can you share a bit about why you're looking to sell your property? Then he says, I'm wanting to move. You cannot make this stuff up. And here goes the bot. Do you have a specific time frame in mind for when you'd like to sell and move? And then he says, I would like to have it all done before the end of the month. Understood, Danny. What's your ideal asking price for the property? And then he says, I can't go lower than 60,000. Then the bot says, could you please provide the complete address of the property you'd like an offer on? And then we basically have the address of the property there. And then you can see here that it says, thanks, Danny. Sounds like you're ready to move forward. Would you like to book a no pressure call with our lead concierge, Nicole? And this is basically just a demonstration of like how your process should be. He says, sure. And I watched this happen live in real time. It's literally right now, 11:35, 10 minutes ago. And boom, the bot sends a link, and this person booked an actual appointment. So I wanted to show you guys this because this is, this actually works. So let me show you inside the system and just kind of show you what happened. But this is an actual appointment from a real lead. So the first thing that happens is when the lead starts engaging, the bot will create a pipeline stage opportunity and analyze the entire conversation between the lead and the AI and categorize the lead based on the type of product or service that they are interested in. So for us, we work with real estate investors. So any property that is potentially needing to sell fast will be categorized as a wholesale or a flip. And this moves into the qualified lead category. And then in addition to that, you can see the automatic note-taking system that the AI has done. And so if you look at the actual, the most recent note, you can see here, Danny wants to sell his property at, and then there's the address for no less than the price, 60,000, moved by the end of the month. He agrees to book a call with Nicole to discuss options. So it qualifies the lead based on the questions we have, and then it will move them in the pipeline stage as well as summarize the conversation into the notes category. And then in addition to that, I'll show you how the actual system works. So mine's going to look a little bit different from the video because I'm doing this for, I have some demonstrations. I'm doing this for different people. But basically, the lead fills out a lead form, and we send them a message, right? And then that triggers over this entire Zap that I showed you on, yesterday's video. And then it generates a response. It summarizes the conversation, which I just showed you, as well as categorizes the transaction type, and which is in this case wholesale flip, and then it sends a message to the actual lead. All right, and then as that message gets sent, it sends it through this little condition right here, and then it sends it as a text, and then that's basically how the lead is communicating with the bot. So I wanted to show you guys this because it's not just theory what I'm saying. This is how you can actually get more appointments for your business, and this is just on the first lead from a live Facebook ad. So if you're an agency and you want to improve your service delivery, or you want to create a SaaS where you have a higher retention, I believe this is the future, and this is the way to actually do it. Clients won't always spend money on ads, but clients will always need to, handle their customer support or talk to leads and qualify leads. And so this is what I'm currently doing to make my service or product better. So wanted to show you guys that. I literally watched it happen in real time. And it's funny because I didn't actually map the lead form. So the lead didn't automatically go into the system. I had to manually, add that person in, and then I triggered the automation, and then he booked literally right in front of my eyes. So that is it working in actual practice, not just theory. So if you're on the fence about doing this for your agency or helping clients with this or for your own business, I wouldn't wait any longer because you can see how simple it was. The lead just filled out a form, and now he's on the calendar, right? And another kind of key point here is on the actual lead form, I have a link for them to book an appointment after they fill out the form. And this person did not actually do that. So we actually just picked up this appointment, right, that would not have been booked. had we not had the automation in place, because he didn't book right after he filled out the form. So not only did we get to, engage with the lead, but he also booked an appointment for tomorrow. So yeah, if you're on the fence about this, I would not hesitate any longer to implement AI. I know people say AI and it sounds really cool, but this is how to actually use AI to make more money, which is qualify leads and get them on your calendar and understand what they're looking for. So we'll keep you posted on this, but there's the first one in, 1 for 1 right there. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.